Hello once again and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I prefer to show you some of the cheapest microphone found on Amazon, and now it's called superLav SR1 microphone moving mic. It's now the Lavarier microphone which you can tie on your t-shirt or your shirt where you are doing some kind of video tutorials, when you are doing some kind of pranks, and then it can take sounds when you are now outdoor and indoor, and it took some of the little ambient noise when you are in the surroundings. And so guys, let me show you this microphone. Here it is now. Bought it for a few bucks and then I found it interesting. I have unboxed it, but there are some components which are now which make it, and then I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, let me go ahead and open it. It's now in a small bag as it is small too. And then let me go ahead and open the bag. And then here it is. Let me pull it out nice and slow as always. And I think there is nothing in this pack. And you see now there is a battery. We are going to see what is used for in a bit. And so this is now the actual microphone. It has a long cable like 6 meters, as you can see, and then you can tie this very slowly. Okay, let's pause the untying. So I'm going to show you some of the features of the microphone. Here now is the actual microphone. This is some sort of small microphone. You can put it inside your cloth, and then it can take sounds, but it's not visible at all. But when you are now you want to avoid some kind of the popping sounds and the surroundings, you can use this small windshield. It's so small, it's not like the other Lav microphones. They have the big windshields, but this one is so small. So we can go ahead and put it like this one. So see how cool it is. And it has this long cable which you can carry along when you are doing some videos outdoor. So guys, here now there is another adapter you can use when you want to plug it on the sound card. You can use this one, and then you can put it in the sound card, or where we need these kind of connectors, then you can put this in here, and then here we go. Okay, there is another note which makes this microphone heavy. Note moving mic, and it has two modes. It has a mode for camera and a mode for smartphones. And as I have told you, this microphone is so cool that you can use it on any smartphone, on any recorder, on any camera, and it can work pretty well. And here there is now where you can tie on your clothes in order to have it secure, as it is somehow heavy. Okay, and then I was talking about this battery. This battery is used inside when you want to power up a microphone, especially when you are using it on a camera. And so let me go ahead and show you how to put it in. You do like this very slowly, and then you pull like this, then you turn, and you will see where to put the battery. And as you can see, there is now a positive and negative. You will see here positive is here, the big one, and then the negative is here. Then you go ahead and put it like this one. Okay, and then you take this and tie again. Okay, right. And so these modes, when you want to switch between those two modes, you need to unplug the microphone in order to move from one mode to another. When you are going to use the smartphone, you toggle here, and then you leave it on the smartphone. When you're going to use it on a camera, you do like this one. But pay attention, when you want your microphone to never drain the battery, you switch it in the smartphone mode or the off mode. The smartphone, they don't want any power, so that's why we call it the off mode. And again, there is some of the manual inside this pack where you can check all about this microphone if you want to. There is some kind of the manual inside. Make sure you check about it. And so guys, that was all about the microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the sound test to show how to work. And so guys, now this is the sound test. I'm using our microphone right now. How is the sound? So to make sure I'm using it and not framing here, I'm gonna touch on it. You hear that I'm touching it, and as you can now hear, it's not taking any ambient noise. like other microphone do, and this microphone is very cheap. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and if so, don't forget to subscribe, press like, share with your friends, and as always, learn it once and use it always.